Good morning, dear children. I welcome you all once again. We are doing chapter 9 in new semester 2 book.
Now, children, we were doing chapter 9 Untidy Aman. Let us recall what we did in the last class. Now, Aman is a little boy. Okay, he's a naughty child and he had a bad habit of jumping and playing around. And after playing with his toys, he used to leave them lying on the floor, here and there, lying on the floor. This was a bad habit that he was having. And once they all shifted into their new home, Aman's bedroom, it was very neat and tidy. It was well arranged. It was full of toys, storybooks, pens, pencils, and it looked very nice. When the things are kept in proper places, the room looks very good. Yes or no, children? Now what happened? That day he played with all the toys and left them lying on the floor. Okay, and he went back to sleep. He woke up the next morning to find that all the toys were back in their proper places. Now Aman, he had left his toys lying on the floor. But next morning when he woke up, what did he see? He saw that all the toys were kept back in their proper places. Who did that? He was sure that no one had entered his bedroom. The same thing happened that day and the next. So Aman was leaving the toys on the floor, but every time when he woke up in the morning, he used to see that all the toys were kept back in their proper places, and he was surprised. Who was doing that? On the fourth day, he went to get his first toy of the day, but the toy jumped out of his hands and said, "I don't want to play with you." Now what happened, children? On the fourth day, when he went to play with his toy, the toy jumped out of his hands and it started talking. What was the toy saying? "I don't want to play with you." Aman was surprised, but the same thing happened with every toy he touched. Now Aman was very surprised that his toys were talking, and every toy he was touching, the toys were not ready to play with him. What happened next? An old teddy bear said to him, "Why are you surprised that we don't want to play with you? You always leave us so far from our proper places." Now an old teddy bear is talking to Aman. What is it saying? That after playing, you leave us lying here and there, and it is not easy for us to go back to our proper places. Have you ever heard any toy talking, children? No. But Aman's toys were talking to him. Next, what did the toy say? "Do you know how difficult it is for the books to climb up back onto their shelves, or for the pens to jump into their box? The floor is so hard and cold." Now, the teddy bear is saying that it is not easy for the books to climb up back onto their shelves, or for the pens to jump into the box. Why? Because the floor is very hard and cold. So, we won't play with you anymore until you promise us to live in our little houses before you go off to bed. Now the toys are asking Aman to promise that after playing, you will leave us, you will keep us back to our proper places. Only then we are going to play with you. This is the promise they are asking Aman to make. So what happened? Aman felt very bad that his toys were sad, and he said sorry to them. What did he say? "I'm very sorry. Please forgive me." And from that day, he always put his toys nicely in their special places before he got into bed. So after that, Aman would never leave his toys lying on the floor. He always arranged them and kept them back in their special places. Now what about you children? Now this question is for you. Do you also leave your things here and there? School bag, shoes, socks, toys, stationaries? If yes, it's not right. You should keep them back in the proper place. Okay? So there's an comprehension exercise given here. Look at this. Tick the correct answer. Now there's a question and 3 options are given. Aman would cross the room by walking like everyone does, walking on the walls, or hopping and jumping on the chairs and tables. What is the correct answer? C option. So you will tick on option number C in this manner. Okay. Next question number 2. After playing with his toys, Aman would put everything back, leave them lying around, or throw them away. The correct answer is leave them lying around. Yes, option number B. Next, third question. Aman wanted to go to the new house because he was to get a room of his own, he wanted lots of toys, or he would have more things to jump on. The correct answer is option A. He was to get a room of his own. So you will tick on this option. Okay. Till here we will do today, children, and remaining in the next class we will start with the written assignment in your English copy. This work you do in the book. Okay. This 3 you do in the book, and next class we will start hard words. Okay. Thank you children.